kasi ang laking issue niya sa inyo, no? Ito lang no? As the impeachment proceeding against diyan kay Sara Potpot, no? Yung proceedings diyan kay Sara Potpot or kay Sara Duterte continue. One issue keeps coming back to the headlines. The discussion over her salin, no? Yung tax records and other financial documents. Kaya ang tanong ngayon is, no? Bakit ang liit ng tilya? And then, iba na. Wala na akong maisip na joke. My goodness! Mali! Anyways, ito yung tanong How much transparency should the public expect from a government official? At saan nagsisimula yung legal limits, no? That always needs to be respected. Hindi, ito lang po muna. Hindi. Alam nyo ba yan? Kaya mga mandirigma, no? Sa tagal na nating dinidiscuss itong impeachment at paulit-ulit, we all know why the SALN matters. Hindi lang ito ordinaryong requirement or just another government form. It's one of the key documents the public looks, no? Yan yung sinisilip natin para makita yung declared assets of public officials while in office. 'Di ba? This is where the debate starts hitting up Some prosecutors, pati yung mga ibang mga boplaks na lawmakers, believe, no, older SALNs, tax records, and other financial documents should also be, ayaw ipa-review Dapat yan, ipakita, dapat reviewin para makita yung complete financial history. 'Di ba? On the other hand, ayan, yung kampo naman ni Sara Potpot, lagi nakikipag-argue that there are legal limits on what evidence may be admitted dun sa impeachment proceedings. Putya, dadaanin nyo na naman kami sa pagganyan-ganyan. Ba't nyo kami dinadaan sa kabulastugan na ganyan? Kailan? Actually, hindi ko alam Kanina, nag-file na si, so definitely, hindi ko alam kung kailan lalabasan ng warrant of arrest yun pagka nakita na may probable, dali sila. No? Dali sila. So, guys, no? Dito nagsisimula yung debate na uminit Yang sa usapin na yan. Kasi kinokontra nga nung defense team. Yung ibang mga prosecutor tsaka lawmaker, they believe na dapat talaga, no? Dapat talaga ipakita yung tax record tsaka salin. Hindi yung ganyan. Ayaw nilang ipakita parang mga timang Alam mo yung parang company audit. 'Di ba? This feels like a company audit Yung one editor wants to examine the records from the very beginning para makita yung whole picture. While the other side says the review should only cover yung period ng kung saan legal tsaka relevant, mga ganun. Hindi pa ipakita. Diba? Aside from SALN din kasi, yung public discussion also includes yung mga financial records din Tsaka yung documents na mga na diyan sa impeachment proceedings. May mga tanong din about certain assets. Yung mga declaration nila and other financial matters. Gusto rin sanang examinin yun further pero ayaw talaga No, nagkakaroon yung kasi, no, yung pre-trial. Akala ko nga okay na akala ko nalista na lahat Akala ko nagkapirmahan na tapos bakbakan na lang sa. Pero tuloy pa rin naman, kaya lang hindi ko alam bakit itong si POA parang nagpa-interview tapos yun nga din yung sinasabi. I'm not sure kung paano ginawa nila para mag-petition. basta talaga lahat gagawin para at least maudlot eh. Para ma-delay. Tapos parang meron din ako nakita kanina. Parang isang I'm not sure if it was kung lawyer ba yung nag-argue na si Sal Panelo. Ang mahalaga rin kasi to na tandaan natin na ito yung mga issue to remains part of an ongoing legal process. Allegations are not same as final findings. 'Di ba? Under the law, both sides have opportunity to present evidence. Tapos explain nila yung mga positions nila. Siyempre, opportunity rin para rumespond dun sa every issue raised against them. But as the debates continues, importante na paghiwalayin yung opinion tsaka aligasyon and yung mga facts that can actually be established through the proper legal process. Itapon na sa load quarry si Defensor. Kapag lumabas na ang warrant of arrest, family defensor mag-eskapo sila. Yun nga kasi Grand Slam. Grand Slam yan Grand Slam yan eh. Mamaya panoorin natin yung hindi na ako magko-comment. Panoorin natin tapos reaction na lang natin yung video at actually yung video ni Matibag tsaka nung kay Mike Defensor. Natatawa ako sa statement ni Defensor. Oh, anyways, tapusin na natin tong kay Sara Duterte para at least maka-move tayo dun sa susunod nating topic. Ako, kung tatanungin niyo ako, the bigger issue goes beyond a single document. It's really about public accountability. Kagaya ng lagi natin sinasabi, di ba? Pati public trust. Paano mapapanatili ang public confidence while questions continue to be raised and legal debates remain over which documents may or may not be examined. Di ba? This is where the real challenge appear. It's like a judge who cannot decide based only on the noise from both sides. Kasi in the end, what matters most is what the documents, the evidence, and the proper legal process can actually establish. Kaya as the impeachment proceedings continue, it's natural for people to ask questions, express them different opinions, and hold different views. But the strongest basis for any conclusion will never be the loudest voice, sa social media or even yung pinakamalaking press conference. Kasi in the end, the real measure is what can actually be proven under the law and whether the process is respected every step of the way. Kaya lang, ganun talaga yung mga taga-kabila. Hanggat mailulusot